In this video, we'll be diving into the top 3 dual monitor setups for 2025. Whether you're a gamer, professional, or content creator, we've got the perfect setups to enhance your productivity and gaming experience. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 3. UPERFECT Delta plus 18.5-inch folding monitor. The UPERFECT Delta plus 18.5-inch dual-screen folding monitor is a game-changer for anyone looking to boost their productivity and entertainment experience. This innovative monitor features an 18.5-inch dual-screen setup, which essentially doubles your screen space. Whether you're a business professional, a designer, or a content creator, this monitor ensures a smoother and more efficient workday. One of the key highlights of the Delta Plus is its adjustable angle design. You can easily tilt both screens to find the perfect viewing angle, ensuring that every detail is sharp and clear. The folding functionality adds even more flexibility. Expand your screen to enhance your laptop's display, or fold it to share content in meetings. Plus, with 360-degree rotation, you can adjust it to your preferred position with ease. The Delta Plus is highly versatile and compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, PC tablets, mobile phones, and even gaming consoles like PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. It features Type-C and mini HDMI ports, allowing you to connect multiple devices or use both screens with a single Type-C cable. This monitor offers a sharp 1080 pixel resolution compared to traditional 720 pixel screens and a 100% RGB color gamut, providing vibrant, accurate colors. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or simply watching your favorite content, the color accuracy and detail are outstanding. With UPERFECT technology, the Delta Plus reduces blue light by over 80%, protecting your eyes during long sessions. It also includes a flicker-free design for added comfort. For those looking to save desk space, the monitor is Visa mount compatible, so you can mount it on a wall or a desktop stand. With impressive features and unbeatable versatility, the UPERFECT Delta Plus is a must-have for work and play. Number 2. UPERFECT UStation 15.6-inch dual monitor. The UPERFECT UStation Delta 15.6-inch dual monitor is a game-changing tool for multitaskers and professionals looking to boost their productivity. This innovative dual-screen setup features two 15.6-inch displays stacked vertically, allowing you to manage multiple tasks side by side without constantly switching between windows. This design enhances efficiency by giving you more screen space and minimizing the need for scrolling and zooming. One of the standout features of the UStation Delta is its foldable design with 360-degree rotation. This allows you to adjust the screens to a horizontal view for multitasking or a vertical view for a different perspective. The ergonomic design helps reduce strain on your eyes and neck, making long hours of work much more comfortable. When it comes to display quality, the UStation Delta truly excels. Both screens offer a 100% RGB color gamut, ensuring vibrant and true-to-life colors. With a delta value of less than 2, the color accuracy is perfect for tasks like graphic design, video editing, and any color-critical work. For easy setup and minimal cable clutter, the UStation Delta uses a single Type-C cable to connect both screens. It supports Windows and macOS and allows you to connect up to 2 devices simultaneously, providing ultimate flexibility. You can either use one device to power both screens or connect each screen to a different device. Portability is another strong point. The UStation Delta weighs just 1.55 kilograms, or approximately 3.42 pounds, and each screen is only 0.3 inches thick, making it incredibly easy to carry. Whether you're heading to a meeting or working remotely, this monitor fits neatly into your bag. With an adjustable stand, built-in dual speakers, and a 180-degree gravity sensing system for easy content sharing, the UPERFECT UStation Delta is an essential tool for professionals and content creators alike. Number 1. EHOMEWEI 2K 16-inch Dual Monitor. The EHOMEWEI 2K 16-inch Dual Monitor is a sleek, portable powerhouse that's designed to elevate both your productivity and entertainment experience. It features two 16-inch displays with an impressive 2.5x resolution, providing incredibly sharp visuals and vibrant colors. Thanks to its double Q LED panels, the monitor delivers a rich color gamut and natural transitions, making every detail pop on the screen. This dual monitor setup offers versatile viewing modes to fit your needs. In desktop mode, you can arrange the screens in a sequence format, perfect for browsing lengthy articles or displaying multiple windows at once. The design helps maintain good posture and reduces strain on your cervical spine during extended use. For shared viewing or presentations, simply fold the screens to synchronize, making it easier to collaborate or showcase content. The EHOMEWEI monitor is built for portability, being ultra-slim and lightweight, so you can easily carry it in your backpack. It features a built-in stand and supports 360-degree rotation, allowing you to adjust it for various tasks, from reading to immersive dual-screen use. The monitor also boasts advanced touch capabilities, supporting 10-point touch input. You can access a virtual keyboard by tapping the lower screen with 8 fingers, making it ideal for on-the-go tasks when a physical keyboard is unavailable. Setting up the EHOMEWEI monitor is quick and easy, with a single wire connection using the DisplayPort protocol. This eliminates the need for drivers and reduces setup time. It also features 4096 level pressure sensing, offering nearly zero latency for a smooth writing or drawing experience, with the included EHOMEWEI stylus, which is certified by Microsoft. With its seamless compatibility with both Windows and MacBook systems, touch and handwriting support, and dual-screen capabilities, the EHOMEWEI 2K 16-inch dual monitor is perfect for professionals, creators, and anyone who values versatility and portability. There you have it, the 3 best dual monitor setups for 2025. Let us know in the comments which one you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.